How to sort two lists which reference each other in the exact same way. Say I have two lists. If I run list1.sort, it will sort it to 1, 1 or 2, 3, 4, but is there a way to get list 2 in sync as well, so I can say item 4 belongs to 3? So the expected output will be my problem is I have a pretty complex program that is working fine with lists, but I sort of need to start referencing some data. I know this is a perfect situation for dictionaries, but I'm trying to avoid dictionaries in my processing because I do need to sort the key values. If I must use dictionaries, I know how to use them. Basically, the nature of this program is the data comes in a random order like above. I need to sort it, process it, and then send out the results. Order doesn't matter, but users need to know which result belongs to which key. I thought about putting it in a dictionary first, then sorting list 1, but I would have no way of differentiating of items with the same value. If order is not maintained, it may have an impact when communicating the results to users. So ideally, once I get the list, I would rather figure out a way to sort both lists together. Is this possible?
You can use the zip and sort functions to accomplish this. Hope this helps.
This can be done using what Perl programmers call the Schwartzian transform, also known as the decorate sort and decorate idiom. The built-in Python sorting is stable, so the two ones don't cause a problem.
One classic approach to this problem is to use the decorate, sort, undecorate idiom, which is especially simple using Python's built-in zip function. These of course are no longer lists, but that's easily remedied, if it matters. It's worth noting that the above may sacrifice speed for terseness. The in-place version, which takes up 3 lines, is a tad faster on my machine for small lists. On the other hand, for larger lists, the one-line version could be faster. As Quantum 7 points out, JSF's suggestion is a bit faster still, but it will probably only ever be a little bit faster, because Python uses the very same DSU idiom internally for all key-based sorts. It's just happening a little closer to the bare metal. This shows just how well optimized the zip routines are. I think the zip-based approach is more flexible and is a little more readable, so I prefer it. Note that when elements of list 1 are equal, this approach will end up comparing elements of list 2. If elements of list 2 don't support comparison, or don't produce a boolean when compared, for example, if list 2 is a list of number py arrays, this will fail, and if elements of list 2 are very expensive to compare, it might be better to avoid comparison anyway. In that case, you can sort indices as suggested in JFS's answer, or you can give the sort a key function that avoids comparing elements of list 2. Also, the use of zip, ***, as a transpose fails when the input is empty. If your inputs might be empty, you will have to handle that case separately.
You can sort indexes using values as keys. To get sorted lists given sorted indexes. In your case you shouldn't have list 1, list 2 but rather a single list of pairs. It is easy to create, it is easy to sort in Python. Sort by the first value only.